to Bibi Boo Kids.
A is for apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for cat, cat. D is for dog, dog. Clap up high, clap down low. E is for elephant, elephant. F is for fish, fish. G is for goat, goat. H is for hat, hat. Clap up high, clap down low. I is for igloo, igloo. J is for jelly, jelly. K is for kite, kite. L is for lion, lion. Clap up high, clap down low. M is for monkey, monkey. N is for nest, nest. O is for octopus, octopus. P is for pig, pig. Clap up high, clap down low. Q is for queen, queen. R is for rabbit, rabbit. S is for sun, sun. T is for tiger, tiger. Clap up high, clap down low. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for violin, for violin. W is for whale, whale. X is for xylophone, xylophone. Clap up high, clap down low. Y is for yak, yak. Z is for zebra, zebra. Now we've learned our ABC. Clap your hands and dance with me. Clap up high, clap down low.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe our channel now for more such fun and interactive videos.